Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome back with me, Alvin, and like you already said in the thumbnail or in my in this video description or title, you can already guess what this video means, what the inside of this video. So yeah, this video I will show you guys about my project that my teacher gave to me. So you can see in here there is two list in here. So it's three. First, I have to make an SPF area in this in this 6 meter, and after that I need to make a dynamic router in router that near to the client. So I make a NAT in this router and in this router too, because these two routers is near to the client. That's in here, right? And after that, for the last the last thing that I have to make is I need to make minimum 5 protocols in this topology, and this is the list of protocol that I use in this topology. First one I use VLAN, so it will be 5 VLAN. The first one is red VLAN, second one is yellow, third is blue, and fourth is the pink. And after that it will be the other channel that I use in these two routers. And the fourth one is OSPF, like the two lists, and dynamic NAT, and the forecast too. Forecast, I use forecast in these two switch. This is the first switch, and this is the second switch. You can see here. Terus, okay. Yeah, I already make forecast in this two switch, and the last one is I use the SCP server for these two routers. So the client of those routers get an IP from the SCP server. And what else? Oh yeah, I make a network here. Oh, you can see in here this IP DHCP pool that I make in this video. This for the pillar red, this for the yellow, this for the this this PC. Then after that, is the class of 0/0 that connect to this second router. With IP same WG. After that is the IP net outside that I give to packet net 0/1. And it's the IP net inside and I keep to the 1/0 that connect to the switch, and the switch connect to the client. And I make a sub interface to virtual interface and pass Ethernet 1/0, and this is the pass Ethernet 1/1 to connect to the PC green. And the configuration of the OSPF. This is the NAT that I make, access list for the NAT. and it's the configuration. And the
jalur yang mana? Yang Evo satu doang kan? Evo satu banyak banget ya.
okay, show them. Okay, you can see in here what I'm making here. I make IP, net inside, and passing CSS1. Then make subinterface for these two film. And I make net offset. This the using OSPF configuration. And after that, I make this IP NAT configuration. That's all. Yeah, you can see in the topology there is three areas of OSPF. The first one is backbone area or area 0, and the second one is non-backbone area 1 and area 2. And for the server, there's nothing special with this server, only work like on the server. And that's all. And you can try to ping this. It will be successful. That I am button through. You can see the successful. After that, we can try to ping client to client. You can see in here successful. And after that, blue PC to a green PC. It will be successful. Or yellow PC to a pink PC. Since it will be successful. Okay. I think that's all that I can show to you about this topology. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.